my YouTube channel. I hope you all are safe and you are happy and positive at the same time. Today I decided to do an accessories haul. I think I had never done an accessories haul and I think it's a great time to do it because I keep on investing in earrings, then handbags, then a little bit of investment is also done on neck pieces. So I thought I will gather a lot of items and then I'll go ahead and show each and every one to you guys. So without any further ado, let's quickly hop into the video. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, you know what to do. Please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and if you're not following me on my social medias, then the handle is over here. Don't forget to follow me over there. You know what to do by this time. So definitely don't forget to do all the things. And without any further ado, let's quickly hop into the video. All the accessories that I got are from Meesho. As you all know, Meesho has great quality of products and the price is very much cheap. So I keep on buying accessories from Meesho because I think I don't feel like investing in a lot of high-end brands, because if you're getting stylish and trendy things at a cheaper price, then why not? So the first piece that I got and I absolutely love, I saw one of my favorite influencers wearing it on Instagram and then I was like, I have to get it. So this is the first piece. It is a neck piece and it is like a double layer chain. I think that is what it is called. So this is how it looks. The lower part has a shell and the upper part, this is what is called a shell only, and the upper part also has some sort of shell and pearl. I really like this design. I think it is so like dainty and you can easily wear it on a day-to-day basis. So this is the first piece I got. I'm gonna mention all the product codes and prices in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Also don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to see how I have styled it. And the next piece is this one. So I got a lot of items in gold and silver. So the first one you have seen is in gold and the next one is in silver. I got similar pieces in different colors as well. Once you keep on watching the video, you will get to know. So the second piece that I have is this one. So every influencer, every person who likes to wear a lot of accessories will have this one. This is a chain with a lock. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna insert a video where I'll be wearing it and showing it to you guys. So the quality is actually very nice. I had used it a couple of times and the quality is something that you get from a high-end brand. This particular chain will cost you less than 200 rupees, and if you go for any other brand, it will cost you around rupees 700 to 1000 rupees. So as I have told you, on Meesho you can get cheaper things. So this is the second item that I have. The next item is this one. It is quite similar to the last piece that I have shown you. It has the tag on because I haven't worn it yet. But look at this. It is so fashionable, like not only from India. If you follow influencer or fashionistas from all over the world, you will see them wearing this kind of jewelries. I absolutely love it, and I think the price was under rupees 400, which I think is very cheap for such a good quality product. So this is the third item I got. I will be wearing each and every item onto myself and showing it to you guys so that you get a clear idea of how it is going to look on you as well. So let me quickly tell you guys about Meesho. So in case if you don't know about Meesho, Meesho has a lot of products from home decor to accessories, then clothing items, shoes, you name it, and you're gonna find it on Meesho. On Meesho you can go ahead and resell items because all the products are very cheap. So what you can do is, if you like any product, you can share the product description and the image with your customers or your friends, whoever you want to sell it to, and if they like the product, you can go ahead and place the order. You can put on their address, and in case if the product price is at rupees 300 and you want to make a profit of 200, then you can set the MRP as 500. Once your customer receives the product and he or she pays for the product, this 200 rupees will be sent to you. So this is your profit. 200 rupees is your profit. So in case if you're a housewife or if you're a student and you want to make some extra bucks, definitely go ahead and try out Meesho. In case if you're not a reseller, you want to buy things for yourself, then follow the same process to place the order for yourself. It's a very easy app. I'm gonna mention the app link in the description box. If you go ahead and download the app from my link, then you're gonna get 100 rupees off or 30% off, whichever is higher. So definitely don't forget to check the description box out. The third item that I want to show to you guys is this one. So I see Komal Pandey wearing such like heavy jewelry pieces with a white shirt and everything. So I thought I can definitely go ahead and invest in a piece like this. This is a statement piece, and as you can see, it is like little bit heavy. It is not very light. This one is a statement piece, and I really wanted to go ahead and get myself one statement piece. I don't know how I'll be styling it because let's be honest, this is way out of my style, but I really wanted to do something a little bit more experimental and out of the box, so I got this one. I'm gonna mention the price in the description box. You can check that out. Also, I'll be inserting a video where you can see how it is looking on me. This is the piece that I love the most out of everything that I got. In case if you want to try something out of the box or out of your comfort zone, then definitely go ahead and get this one. As you can see, it has the tag on because I haven't tried it out yet, but I love it. By looking at it, I was in love. So yeah, this is my favorite piece out of the whole haul. The next item that I want to show to you guys is this pair of earrings. Now let me be very honest with you guys. I have a similar earring from a reputed brand, and that earring is at my Pune's flat. So when I came to Kolkata, I wanted to get a similar thing, and I saw this ring on Meesho, earrings on Meesho, and I was like, let me go ahead and buy it. When I got it, I was so amazed to see that it is almost of the same quality that I got from that particular brand, and the price is 1/3. So I was very happy with this purchase. In case if you want to go ahead and get a statement earring for yourself, then definitely try out this one. I'm gonna mention the code in the description box. As you all know, Meesho doesn't have any product link. They have codes, so all the codes and the prices will be mentioned in the description box. I got one more earring for myself, and that is this one. This is a pair of earrings. I think they are called Dazzlers. They come with AD, like American diamond kind of thing, and it costed me around rupees 400. So I really like it. I think I can pair it up with so many of my western wear as well as ethnic wear. So this is the next item that I got. I got it in the color white. They also have an option in the color golden. So in case if you want to get a golden one, you can go ahead and get that. But I wanted to go for this color because I think it goes with western wear as well as ethnic wear. So this is the fifth item that I got from Meesho. For a very long time, I'm not going ahead and investing in bags. So when I saw this particular handbag on Meesho, I thought, let me go ahead and purchase this one. When I got it, like when it was delivered, I was so amazed with the quality. The quality is A class. The chains are so nice. It looks like as if I have got it from a good brand. You all know that how versatile all the black bags are. I had a similar bag, not similar, but I had a black bag. But now that one is ruined, and I wanted to get another one for myself. So I got this one. This will be under rupees 500, and I really like the style of it. It has a golden knob over here as well. So I think this particular bag will go with a lot of my outfits, so I got this one. The last thing that I got from Meesho are these pair of chunky sneakers. So they are all over the internet. If you have an Instagram account, you will see everyone wearing such things. They are very comfortable. This one is also very comfortable. I had a similar one in white, but since I had it in white, so I wanted to get this one. This is in white and pink, and I absolutely love it. I had tried it out. It is very comfortable. The inner portion is very comfortable, and I can't wait to style this one on my Instagram. So in case if you are not following me on my Instagram profile, please go ahead and follow me. Those were all the things that I got from Meesho. I hope you guys have liked this little haul. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I'm gonna mention all the product codes and the prices in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Also, the app link will be mentioned in the description box. You can go ahead and download the app from my link. In that way, you can get 100 rupees off or 30% off on your first purchase, which I think is great. And that is it about this video. If you have liked this video, then don't forget to sorry, my earring fell off, let it be. If you have liked this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram profile and my Facebook profile. And that is it about this video. I'm gonna see you guys super soon in my next video. In case if you have any video requests, then do let me know in the comment section below. And bye for now. Stay happy and stay positive. Bye bye.